Accommodating a burgeoning societal need and demand, Livingstone College developed a School of Hospitality Management and Culinary Arts, one-of-a-kind distinctive academic programs, and a facility just 1 mile from busy Interstate 85 and adjacent to a major multi-lane boulevard in Salisbury, North Carolina. Livingstone is the only historically black college or university in North Carolina that offers a hospitality management program and a culinary arts program. The mission-driven, student-centered purpose of the Livingstone College Hospitality Management and Culinary Arts programs was created to address the demand for and lack of African Americans in the hospitality industry. Hospitality Management is a 120-hour Bachelor of Science degree program of study designed to equip students with analytical tools based upon logic and critical thinking for decision-making. Students learn organizational management principles and develop leadership and management skills.
My name is Kendra Stokes, a hospitality management major and a senior. I feel as my degree will help me to better pursue my career of event planning. From the hands-on learning, we learn real-world applications such as facility setup and customer service. The facilities here are spacious and it's a real hotel, so we learn real-life applications that will help us to learn when we graduate. I feel as the staff are very helpful and they get us prepared for the real life after graduation. Not only are they helpful to me, but everyone else in the major.
Students graduating from the Hospitality Management program are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills required for entry-level management positions in the global hospitality industry. Given the close proximity to Charlotte, North Carolina, graduates of the hospitality program are often afforded with opportunities to work in the areas of events, food and beverage, and lodging management while completing their degree requirements. A large number of HMG students possess an entrepreneurial spirit while matriculating at Livingstone. They are celebrated and encouraged by their peers and professors to pursue their entrepreneurial goals. In addition to the theoretical knowledge received in the classroom and the coaching and mentoring received from faculty members, hospitality management students have opportunities for professional development and leadership development in the Livingstone College chapter of the National Society of Minorities in Hospitality, a student-run hospitality and professional organization. Through this organization's regional and national conferences, students often receive internships and permanent job placement offers. Culinary Arts is a 66-hour Associate of Science degree program. The Culinary Arts program is designed to prepare students to break into high-energy, highly rewarding careers in a number of culinary positions, including chef, catering, food and beverage management, and restaurant management.
My name is Tinsley Battle, and I am a Culinary Arts and a hospitality student. We learn about everything from breads to sauces, how to make all the mother sauces. We learn about how to bake, how to broil, how to baste. Basically, we learn every aspect because you're going to need it when you go into the real world. The kitchen facilities, they're actually very helpful and they're very amazing into helping us students progress through this whole program. The resources available on this campus is amazing, in my opinion. They're great vehicles, they're great tools to help us get through college and to help us as students be better. I feel like the faculty is very invested in my future and they want to help me become great and help me to get through college and get out of college to become a better person and a better chef in the real world. Like I could call my advisor, I could text my advisor or any of my chefs and ask them a question and they'll be able to help me and reach back to me in about 10 to 15 minutes or a good time.
On February 17, 2017, the Commission granted approval for the off-campus instructional site. Located in a former Holiday Inn Hotel and Event Center, some 6 miles from the main campus. The facility was purchased by Livingstone College expressly for its hospitality management and culinary arts programs. At the core of the hospitality management and culinary arts programs is a team of competent and extraordinary faculty and staff members who set high expectations of students and go well beyond the call of duty.
I'm Dr. Burkita Bradford, and I'm faculty in hospitality management. I see my role at Livingstone in the hospitality department as someone who assists students with professional development while they're matriculating here. I also see my role as very crucial for assisting students not only in professional development, but emotional and social development. It is my belief that when students graduate from this program, they should be socially well-rounded as well as academically well-rounded.
Hello, I'm Chef Maria Marquez. I am the interim director of the Culinary Department here at Livingstone College. My responsibilities are to advise students and to oversee the culinary program as a whole. I make sure I order the food and make sure that the students are getting the education that is required to meet the standards of the program. So we have student learning outcomes just like the other programs, and we make sure that they're ready for their career in culinary arts.
The instructional site comprises more than 88,000 square feet, 181 rooms for student housing, with 50 rooms set aside for instruction and special guests. Hospitality management and culinary arts students are benefited by attending their courses in an actual hotel as well as residing there, a uniqueness very few hospitality students experience. The facility also features a student lounge where students have a place to study and complete their work. The environment in the instructional facility allows students to visit with their professors in their offices and in the lobby and lounge areas of the hotel. This type of environment has resulted in close-knit relationships between hospitality management and culinary faculty and students, and allows for additional mentoring and coaching from faculty members. The facility has 6 classrooms for dedicated hands-on instructional and learning spaces. The ballroom, in its normal function, can accommodate 400 people for receptions, banquets, meetings, and other special events, and can also be compartmentalized into 4 classrooms, using mobile smart boards, expanding classrooms, and providing additional instructional spaces in anticipation of more students entering the hospitality management program and the culinary arts program. The computer lab accommodates approximately 30 students at a time. The campus master plan anticipates growth and has projected for the needs for academic instruction and social living to include housing, dining, recreation, and the associated technologies for instruction, research, and study that would allow for expanded utility of spaces for instructional purposes. The training kitchen and culinary laboratory is designed to teach skills required in culinary arts. This instructional space contains 5 different training stations, which can accommodate 20 students at any given time. The commercialized kitchen is designed and built to teach production and can accommodate 12 students per station. Another one-of-a-kind experiential learning experience is the Livingstone College Mobile Dining Food Unit, which gives students food production experience for large groups as well as an intimate dining experience for special guests and special events of the college. The mobile unit is also an effective marketing tool for the hospitality management and culinary arts programs. Whether it's the elegant chandelier hanging from atop a formal dining table or the dancing flames from an electric fireplace beneath a mounted TV, the mobile unit is something most people are awestruck with and inquire about. A special 21st century learning experience in a safe and secure learning environment is advancing with continuous evaluations and assessment for improvement. The Livingstone College Hospitality Management and Culinary Arts programs have an eye on growth and satisfied students. So far, survey results indicate an overall satisfaction with the program and its purposeful outcome in meeting a societal need and student interest in 21st century careers. Part of our mission at Livingstone College is a strong commitment to quality instruction, academic excellence, and student success. Our hospitality management program and culinary arts programs each addressed a need in our society and is now producing a population of students who are highly marketable, qualified, and prepared for entry-level positions within the hospitality industry. This is excellence, the Livingstone way.